In this video, we will tell you more about why you should think about starting an online business and how you can go about starting one. Most of us get our income from our normal job. The kind of job which involves you clocking into the office, working an 8-hour shift, going home and repeating the cycle over and over again for the rest of your life. It's not always that interesting. And then there's the lack of freedom where your movements are controlled by your company. What happens if you lose your job? When that happens, you lose your source of income. In a normal job, you are essentially trading time for money. You get paid only when you work. The minute you stop work, your income stops. What if I were to tell you that there is a way for you to live life on your own terms? To have money that comes in even in your sleep? That is what an online business can do for you. There are so many online businesses that work: an e-commerce website, affiliate marketing, YouTube programming. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's consider why you should start your own online business. An online business is the ultimate job security. Once your business is up and running, you can never get fired, unless of course you choose to fire yourself. Your business reports to you and you alone control the business. You control the clients. You control everything. An online business is also operational 24/7. Essentially, it operates round the clock, every single day, even when you're asleep. Most importantly, an online business gives you a source of passive income. This is income that you generate without having to put in extra effort. The money comes in even when you're asleep. Best of all, an online business is low cost. All it takes is a website, some simple marketing, and you're good to go. If you're thinking about creating your own source of passive income and achieving financial freedom, starting an online business is the way to go.